Hello, good day, welcome to the class. So today I'm going to be taking you through a very straightforward introduction to how you can set up your Google Classroom. So it is very simple. I'd like you to pay attention to this video, and I'd like you to my video on YouTube, and also if possible you need to subscribe for on my channel. So what are we going to be doing? The first thing I would like you to visit google.com if you are using your laptop. So when you get to google.com, it's going to look like this. We have 9 dots over here. This 9 dots is where you are going to have access to your content. So how do we go about it? I click on the 9 dots, I come down. This is Google Classroom. For my Google Classroom, these are all the classes I actually created, and some of the classes I am also a teacher and I'm also a student in some of the classes. So how do we go about this? It is very simple. We have a plus sign over here. We have a plus sign. This is the plus sign over here. With this plus sign, we can use this plus sign to actually create our classroom. So how do we do that? When you click on your plus sign, when you click on your plus sign, you can see the word join class, and you can also see the word create class. So if you click on the word join class, that means you have a code to join the class. And if you click the word create class, that means you want to create a class. So what do you do with this? Very simple. So what you are going to do is to click on the plus sign and you create class. Just if you don't have G Suite account in your school, that means you have to just go directly by clicking on the word I have read and understand above. Then after this, you create your class. Let me name this, because I'm an art teacher, let me just name this arts for all, and the session is 101, and the subject is art education, and the room is 1001. Okay, then I create my class. The moment I create my class is ready for everybody. And then with this, there are so many things you can do over here, and I'm going to be showing you a guide on how to go about what we have on our screen. So I would like you to take your time to like my video and also to subscribe to my channel. So let's go back to the screen. So immediately you create your class, this is what we are going to see, and then we have the class code over here. This is the class code, and when with this class code, you can click on the plus sign that we click on the other time, and input this code if you are a student, and you will join the class immediately. And also there are so many things you can see over here. You can see stream, you can see classwork, you can see people, you can see mark. So with all of these, you can create a lot of materials, and I'm very sure that you are going to explore this. So your class is ready now. I would like you to take your time, explore Google Classroom, and I'm very sure that you are going to find it amazing. So thank you very much. This is an introduction part on how to use Google Classroom. I'm going to be sending on how to open your Google Classroom. I'm going to be sending more videos, and I'm very sure you are going to learn a lot from these videos. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful time. Thank you. Bye.